What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and right now I'm going to do Adidas Harden Vol.5 Futurenatural Magnolia. So let's find out where is the difference. On the fake one is the patch here in the middle is slightly horizontal, then the authentic here is more slanted. Another sample, you can see the stitching is a lot more higher than the authentic. You can see it's a lot more higher. Moving to the other side of the shoes, as you can see the tag is on the authentic is slightly go down. It's a little bit covered with the patch here, but look at the fake, there is no gap here. But look at the authentic, there is a lot more gap, and we can see here the tags all. You can see all the tags here, we can read it. But look at the authentic, slightly go down. And this one also, this one is too close with the upper here with the blue lace holes. You can see. This one also is too much go down. It's far away from the top. Like just compared to the authentic here, we still can read it. Volume 5 chapter 1, but look at the fake, cannot see it. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see on the heel counter, look at the midsole here, slightly to the right, and the stitches here is too high. And this one also is slightly to the left. And look at this, the stitching and the Adidas logo is too close. But look at the authentic, there is a lot more gap here, there is a lot more space. This one also too much to the left here, it's not placed right in the middle. You can see it clearly. And this one, the last one, is fake box label on the China version. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, I hope you understand, and if you have any question and any request, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video so I can make another video for you guys. See you on the next video.